Hello there. In following video you will see an easy way to run an EXE file from Catia and also customize your toolbar, a new toolbar with all your macros. First I need to set the needed macro directory into Catia. So I go tools macros. From here I want to select the document type, and then if I need to add the folder, in my situation the folders are added, I go and select the add existing library. Of course you can select the VBA projects if you work with VBA projects, but in this situation we will work with directories. I have two folders, one working folder and then where I install all my needed macros. After this folder is set up, then I will go to customize. From toolbar tab I will create a new toolbar. You will see the toolbar will appear, and then I will see here toolbar new. Then I go to commands, and near the inside the macro I will select that field, and then I will see here all my available macros. In this situation I will go to the assembly. Best practice is to add an icon to your macro. Will be easy to spot. In this situation, okay, I add an icon, and then you will see my macro now it's available here. You can add how many macros you want or how many toolbar do you want. Now, how to run an EXE file? We have here the script, an easy script. We know we have a Catia procedure. Then first variable, it's the variable that contains our path, complete path where the EXE file is. I add here the on arrow resume next after before running the EXE file. Basically, if the path is not correct, I don't want to have that error message. I will want to have a custom message that will show me, okay, the path was not found. After this, the procedure is ended. Very easy. To add this one to our application, the same. I will need to set up the folder. In this situation it's in another folder, so you can use different folders. How many would you like to use? After this one it's set, I will go again to customize, commands, macro, and then here I add already icon, and I will drag and drop. Of course you can add from toolbar if you select your toolbar. I don't know, one moment to see where the toolbar new. I may also here add command if I know the name of the command, and then just hitting OK. But I think this one can take too much time. Now the command is added. When I will click the icon, the application will start and I can use it now. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye.